Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and I'm coming to you from underneath my RV to show you this amazing set of RV slide out supports from TeukRiGa. We're so impressed by how well these work. Before we got them, it felt like we were living in a boat in our RV. Anytime someone walked around or the wind blew, it would just shake from side to side. So we installed the pair of these underneath our slide out, and they were very easy to install. Per the manufacturer's suggestion, we went ahead and placed them on a paver so that it would be on more level ground, because right now where we have our RV parked, it's on just wet ground. So it would have sunk in if we didn't have the pavers. It comes with an Allen wrench so that you can screw the top plate onto the main base. This is all steel and it has a rust and corrosion resistant finish on it. These can each support up to 5,000 pounds, and I would recommend if you have multiple slide outs, getting a pair for each slide out. We got the flat topped ones that extend up to 42 inches. They made a world of difference in our RV experience, and that's our point of view.